One of the tools that I like to use early in the search process is a mortgage calculator. This kind of helps break down all of the financials of a home purchase, and it produces an estimated monthly payment. So that can kind of help with budgeting. So let's walk through it real quick. We'll start with let's do a purchase price of $525. We're going to do a down payment of, let's say, 15%. Right now the loan rates are right around 3.15. Typical loan term is 30 years. Property tax, let's say $3,000. Let's say we're looking at and when we do anything less than 20% down, you're likely gonna pay private mortgage insurance. I usually do about 0.25% for that. It's just an estimate. That could vary. Once you put 20% or more down, you don't need to worry about mortgage insurance. Home insurance is usually around $1,200 a year. Let's say if you're buying in an HOA, you're looking at, let's say, $82 a month. So after going through all that, you're going to end up spending about $2,450, I would say, per month. And this breaks down all the components of the payment. So you've got your tax in there, you've got your monthly home insurance, you've got your HOA fees, then you've got your mortgage insurance as well. If you scroll down a little bit, this will actually break it down a little bit further. It'll show you the loan amount, your down payment, and your total interest paid over the life of the loan. So you're looking at, spending another $244,000 just on interest. So it does cost to borrow. And then you've got a mortgage insurance out to 2024 of $3,000. So that's a kind of an easy way to figure out generally what you're going to be spending. Obviously your lender's going to produce a lot more specific numbers to you once you go into contract on a home. So we'll rely on that. But for now, this is a good way to just get a general idea of what you're going to be spending.